Fathers, we're beginning a time of celebration and witness today. We invite your presence to be the ultimate supreme witness to this union.
In a world where things come and go, the only thing I've ever known is true. Oh, is you. I've been the prince, I've been the pauper, I've been the star and played the fool, been the winner and the loser, in between them two. But no matter who I might become or who I've been before, I will always be yours. Always be yours. I'd run through flames, push back fate, break down walls. I'd give my heart, give my breath, give it all. In a world where things come and go, the only thing I can afford to lose, oh, is you. Been the prince, I've been the pauper, been the star and played the fool, been the winner and the loser, in between them two. But no matter who I might become or who I've been before, I will always be yours. Gonna be yours.
Out of everything I've seen and accomplished in my life, today is my favorite. I knew from the day I met you and was brave enough to approach you that you were something special. Special enough that I would run in the opposite direction in fear of what could happen if I chose to let someone in. One day, out of nowhere, God released that fear in me and He brought you to me. It has been your unconditional kindness and love that has no boundaries that has saved me. Only God can do the mending and salvaging of a soul, but your hands never remained idle in the hard seasons of my life. It truly has been a journey to come from brokenness to blessings with you by my side. I promise to love you, only second to our King. I promise to protect you and to be your protector at all risks and at all costs, willingly laying my life down for yours. But not without a gunfight, because you know I got that thing on me. I promise to fight life's battles with you and the counsel of our King at the center of our choices and our decisions. I promise to push you to reach even the craziest dreams and goals, and you've got some of those. I promise to yield to you in the rare events that I'm wrong. I promise that I won't quit, I won't abandon us, or ever stop fighting for our love, life, and happiness. It is my vow to you, Ashley Morgan, to love you beyond measure every day for the rest of this life that I have to live.
This day has been long awaited. The day where I watch God's promises of redemption, restoration, peace, and unfailing love come to pass. From the moment I laid my eyes on you, I had a peace in knowing you'd be my husband one day. And it's finally here. And I promise to give my whole self to you every day for the rest of our lives. I promise to never back down, to fight the thing instead of you. I promise to point you to God before I ever point you to man. I promise to uplift you, encourage you, and be in your corner of the ring every day and in every circumstance. I promise to love you so unconditionally, irrevocably, eternally, and outwardly. I promise to love you so hard that it might look messy, sloppy even, but I promise to devote myself to you until my dying breath.
Oh, is you been the prince of